Ni suweng ba sa kanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko naram chaksuwa, ang Alicia A. Sangma na simang na dali Koborrang ko para katinga. Katabi chongrang, Congress Party ni President na lekapun susuwa, Paramount School ni ko ranggatik inspekhaan ni ko dakanga. Chugong pa Koborrang, Sumber Salo Indian National Congress ni President na lekapun susuwa ni name machotanga ha. Pribaji mang sumayo machotanga ha. President na susagapa pa Malik Arjun Kharji aro Shashi Tharurunga. Meghalaya adok ni ge sopong adok Congress ni dorang yaleka punsusani o bakkurang ha. Yaleka punsusani name machotanga ha. Arya pungumin lekarangko name chpedelhi china ranginga ni Assam ni Pradesh Returning Officer PRO Rekibudin Ahmed Jan Chegao ni MLA bong achim uyatanga ha. Yejan chisku tariko punsusagaman lekha ko changen aro result ko ba parakatken. Skutong Minister Shri Colonel K. Sangma, our Education Minister Lakman Rumboy, Paramount School ni Ranggatik Sandiani ko Sombar Salo Dakanga, Chief Secretary DP Walang, Commissioner or Secretary for Education BK Tiwari ba, ya school ko inspekhaan ni Odong Paa. Ya inspection ba Sandiani ko Dakanya ra school ni na may kam ko chalajanya aselo Dakanga, aro maaparang niya ni gaman sorkari ko nirok sandi china aga na ni gaman no wamang Ranggatik school ko inspekhaan nga ani Skutong Minister aga na nga ha. Inspek ni jaman wamang buchakani aro kichakani biap rangko tari dapat tanggen aro hostel ni dongchapram biap endi tara namjani gemen wamang getal hostel kurukat kagal na wamang getal academic session ya bachingnas khang joton khagen aro hostel ng mating sumayo da hostel donging babi sarangko kepune donching na chanchani ko daken aro je auditorium ko jakhal gi doninga chem wako maina ba jakhalnam mangin in Skutong Minister para katanga ha
can be done in the field also, so those aspects also will be examined. And other administrative requirements also are there. For example, the offices required for different staff and principal. We'll examine all those aspects also. So the idea was basically to come and see the overall situation out here based on the different concerns that have been raised by the public and the past pupils, the teachers and other managing committee members. So based on all those concerns, we thought that we should make a visit and see things with our own eyes. And based on that, as I said, we're going to take certain steps to improve things. Repair has to be done to improve the infrastructure in terms of toilets, in terms of other infrastructures which require repairs will be done. At the same time, we've also seen that the hostel facility is not at all, up to the mark, and a lot of things are required to be done. And so we have also decided that in fact there is a proposal already, and the sanction has already been done. The tender processing was taking a bit of time, so I have spoken to the PWD minister in charge building, PWD building, that the tendering process should be completed at the earliest, and within this academic year, within the next academic year, before the next academic year starts, that we would want the construction work of the new hostel building to start, and in the meantime we'll make temporary arrangements for the students who are in the hostel. And we are looking at multiple options. We'll take a call on that in the next few days' time on how we can temporarily accommodate the children who are in the hostels in temporary facilities around the campus only. So we're examining that too. We have also come and seen this auditorium which has been lying unused, and we feel it can be put to better use. So we will be repairing this also and deciding on how we will use it in the future. So this was basically an idea was to, as I said, have a hands-on view of the entire situation out here. We are so also seeing the field out here. This also is in a bad condition.
Yan dal na Koborrang ni suweng pa sa kanti kon metela.